one tool that will change your entire email marketing strategy forever. In this review, I'll talk about a software that will not only save you time but also deliver much better results. If you're ready to improve your campaigns and take your business to the next level, this video is definitely for you. See why this tool is worth your attention.
In today's fast-paced business landscape, where competition is fiercer than ever, brands are constantly seeking innovative ways to engage with their customers effectively. The Braze customer engagement platform emerges as a powerful ally in this endeavor, empowering companies to not only attract new customers, but also foster loyalty among existing ones through tailored and impactful communications. Braze is a sophisticated platform dedicated to marketing automation and customer engagement management. It revolutionizes how brands interact with their customers by enabling the creation of personalized, relevant, and timely messages delivered through a multitude of channels. These channels include email, mobile messaging, web notifications, in-app messaging, and even social media platforms. With its robust suite of features, Braze stands out as the go-to solution for businesses looking to optimize their marketing strategies and enhance customer experiences. At the heart of Braze's capabilities lies real-time personalization. The platform allows brands to gather and analyze data about their users, enabling the creation of highly personalized messages. This includes behavioral analytics that tracks customer interactions, helping businesses determine which products or services resonate most with their audience. For instance, if a customer frequently browses athletic gear, Braze can automatically trigger personalized messages, offering discounts or promotions on those specific items. This level of personalization not only boosts engagement, but also significantly enhances the likelihood of conversions. Today's consumers navigate a myriad of platforms and devices to access information. Braze provides a seamless multi-channel communication framework that ensures brands can reach their audience wherever they are. Whether through email, SMS, push notifications, or social media, Braze allows companies to craft a cohesive messaging strategy. This unified approach enhances brand visibility and consistency, creating a more memorable customer experience. Measuring the effectiveness of marketing efforts is crucial for ongoing success, and Braze excels in this area. The platform provides an extensive suite of analytics and reporting tools that allow brands to monitor the performance of their campaigns in real time. Businesses can gain insights into key metrics such as email open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. With these insights, companies can make data-driven decisions to optimize their strategies continually. The ability to pivot based on real-time data ensures that marketing efforts remain relevant and impactful. Automation is a game-changer in the realm of marketing, and Braze offers robust automation capabilities that streamline the campaign management process. Brands can set up automated campaigns triggered by specific customer actions or behaviors, such as cart abandonment or post-purchase follow-ups. This ensures that customers receive timely communications without requiring constant manual input from the marketing team. For instance, if a user adds items to their cart but doesn't complete the purchase, Braze can automatically send a reminder email with a special discount to encourage completion of the sale. This not only improves customer engagement, but also enhances operational efficiency. Braze empowers brands to experiment with their messaging strategies through A/B testing. This feature allows businesses to test different versions of their messages to see which performs better. By analyzing the results, companies can fine-tune their campaigns for maximum impact. This continuous optimization process ensures that marketing efforts are always evolving and improving, leading to better engagement and conversion rates. Braze distinguishes itself from other customer engagement platforms with its user-friendly interface and strong customer-centric focus. Businesses of all sizes, from startups to established enterprises, can benefit from Braze's capabilities. Many brands choose Braze because it simplifies the customer engagement process while also facilitating the development of long-lasting relationships. Braze's adaptable platform meets the diverse needs of businesses, making it suitable for companies of any size and industry. Whether you're a small startup or a global enterprise, Braze can scale with your growth. Braze seamlessly integrates with various third-party tools and services, allowing businesses to leverage their existing data and workflows. This compatibility enhances overall marketing effectiveness and streamlines processes. Braze offers comprehensive customer support, ensuring that clients have access to assistance whenever needed. The dedicated support team is committed to helping businesses overcome challenges and maximize their use of the platform. A prime example of Braze's impact is illustrated by a well-known food delivery platform that leveraged Braze to enhance its customer communication strategy. By utilizing Braze's segmentation and personalization features, the company increased its email open rates by 50% and achieved a remarkable 30% growth in conversions within just 3 months. This significant improvement not only translated into higher sales, but also fostered greater customer satisfaction and loyalty. The Braze customer engagement platform is an indispensable tool for brands aiming to create personalized and effective communications with their customers. With its extensive capabilities in personalization, multi-channel communication, audience segmentation, analytics, and automation, Braze can significantly enhance a business's marketing effectiveness. If you're looking to improve your customer engagement strategies and increase conversions, Braze is the solution you need. If you found this information helpful and want to stay updated on more insights like these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Join our community and discover more about enhancing your customer engagement strategies today.